A Chinese factory worker on TikTok holds up a $5 pair of leggings and a $100 price tag overlay. Text: same factory, 20x the price. After Trump's massive tariff hikes on China, something wild happened. Chinese factory owners, yes, the people who actually make your luxury stuff, started posting videos on TikTok. They're showing $5 leggings made in the exact same factory as $100 Lululemon yoga pants. And those designer bags you thought were hand-stitched in Italy? One factory claims the same bag that retails for $20,000 in the US was produced in China for less than $80. These videos reveal that many made in Italy or made in France labels are just marketing. Products are manufactured in Chinese factories, then finished or assembled elsewhere. So the label legally says Italy, but 95% of the products came from, well, Shenzhen. US consumers freaking out. People are ripping tags off their clothes, questioning every luxury purchase, and searching for ways to buy directly from Chinese manufacturers. It's not just about price anymore. It's about transparency. Why pay $2,000 for something that costs $20 to make? The TikTok comments say it all. We've been lied to for decades. My wallet is crying. Time to book a trip to China. Let's start with the biggest W. China now offers 240 hours, yes, 10 days of visa-free transit for U.S. passport holders. If you're flying through any of 60 major Chinese ports, Beijing, Shanghai, Guangzhou, even Taiyuan and Nanjing, you can leave the airport and explore without a visa. Originally just a layover. Boom, you just scored a 10-day adventure. Great Wall, check. Forbidden City, absolutely. Noodles at 2 a.m. in Chengdu, yes, please. And if you had a China visa before, maybe from a business trip or vacation, but it expired? As long as it expired less than 4 years ago, you can now renew it without another interview. No embassy lines, no drama, just stamp and go. Oh, and guess what? Your US visa is like a secret hack. It also gives you visa-free entry into places like Argentina, Bermuda, and Canada. You could hit up multiple countries on one trip. Worried about paying in China? Don't be. They're living in the future. As of April 2025, Alipay usage by foreigners has doubled. Whether you're shopping in luxury malls or buying dumplings on the street, just tap and go with your phone. No Chinese banks, no problem. Alipay and WeChat Pay now support international cards and hotels, tourist sites, even street vendors. All take Visa or MasterCard now. This is where it gets juicy. Tax refunds at the moment you shop. Forget airport paperwork. At over 1,000 stores across China, you can now get your 11% VAT refund instantly. B. Buy something for 1,000 RMB. You get 110 RMB back on the spot. Just sign a form, swipe your card, and boom, it's hot pot money in your wallet. If you're in China for less than 183 days, you're eligible. And if the refund's under 10,000 yuan, you can even take it in cash. Guys, stunning landscapes, ancient cities, legendary food, and now 10-day visa-free travel, tax refunds, and Apple Pay style convenience everywhere. China isn't just open, it's throwing out the red carpet for travelers around the world. And China also has cheap but real luxury goods. Hey, if you made it this far, you're officially smarter than 99% of travelers out there. Smash that subscribe button. I'm breaking it all down step by step so you can travel smarter, spend less, and experience more in China.